Best way to make money online as a broke beginner. I think most of us came here to search for means to make money online. So below I am exposing methods to make money online. Make money online with Google AdSense. Google AdSense is the only method to make real cash online. Google AdSense, commonly simply AdSense, is a powerful ad-serving program run by Google. Internet site owners can enlist in this program to make it possible for message, image as well as video promotions on their websites. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. All you have to do is put some code on your internet site and advertisements will be shown that are relevant to the material on your page. These ads are carried out by Google and also create income on either a per-click or per-thousand impressions basis. Generate income online with associate advertising. Affiliate advertising is one of the most effective methods to earn money online. An affiliate program on the internet is just where a website is selling an item and also they will certainly pay you a commission on every sale you produce from the traffic you send them. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. So all you need to do is send your site visitors to one more web page. Popular websites like ClickBank as well as CJ serve the purpose to assist you do associate marketing by discovering the right item. There are a lot of methods needed to do affiliate advertising, so a lot of digital books are offered online. Earn money online with Google AdWords. Google AdWords is one more pay-per-click advertising and marketing company run by Google. In Google AdWords, you can place promotions at their internet search engine as well as get quality traffic. However, the discussion depends upon is your touchdown page. Visualize you pay 10 cents for each top quality visit as well as you got one sales of $30 in every 100 goes to. You are making a profit of $20. Generate income with online auctions. Make money online with online auctions is among the 20th as well as 21st century's most reputable, real as well as examined, home businesses. Merely acquire low, sell high and take the distinction to supplement your revenue. Numerous individuals sell on eBay.com or various other online auctions internet site as a full-time job and make well over six numbers. Make money with paid surveys. While not one of the most profitable of home businesses, paid studies are easy and simple as well as you can make money online with them. You can make $4 or $5 a pop, which can add up especially if you do a few paid surveys each day in your leisure. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. Make money online freelancing. There is no such thing as a complimentary. Neither exists a very easy way to make money, particularly from house. To make yourself employable, you require to make certain that you have actually the required ability along with great advertising and marketing as well as social abilities. An audio portfolio, for striving authors, editors, photographers, developers, and so on, is a must. Today numerous personal business and MNCs are employing people that choose working out of their homes. A host of chances exist for housework in locations as varied as telemarketing, selling insurance policy, data access, inputting, data conversion, copywriting, accounting, composing, scholastic as well as journalistic writing, editing and enhancing and also evidence reading, website design, material development, internet-based study for business, visual style and also desktop publishing, programming, audio and also video modifying, translation job and also etc. is readily available. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. With a fair little bit of technology abilities, inputting as well as word processing skills, being PC literate, entrepreneurs can utilize the globally web to start firms and job from the benefit of their houses. Prior to you enter the housework groove, make sure you have the requisite certifications, equipment, and time management skills to persuade possible employers that you are the best individual for the work. There are a great deal of means to make money online, So you do not require to restrict yourself with simply one method. Explore even more ways that you can to earn money online. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.